Welcome to our exploration of the Classic Daiquiri, a cocktail that embodies simplicity and elegance in equal measure. Today, we'll delve into the history, preparation, and nuances of this timeless drink that has captivated cocktail enthusiasts for over a century. The daiquiri, in its purest form, is a harmonious blend of just three ingredients: light rum, freshly squeezed lime juice, and simple syrup. This deceptively simple combination creates a drink that is simultaneously refreshing, balanced, and sophisticated. Let's begin by tracing the origins of the daiquiri. It is believed to have emerged in the late 1800s in Cuba, specifically in a small town near Santiago that lends its name to the cocktail. While the exact circumstances of its creation remain shrouded in mystery, two prevailing theories exist. One suggests it was developed as a medicinal concoction, while the other proposes it was born out of necessity when whiskey and gin were scarce, prompting creative use of the local rum. As with many cocktail origin stories, the truth likely lies somewhere between these narratives. The daiquiri's rise to prominence owes much to one of its most famous devotees, Ernest Hemingway. The legendary author's love for this Cuban creation was so profound that a variation of the drink bears his name. The Hemingway Daiquiri, which adds grapefruit and maraschino liqueur to the mix, is a testament to the cocktail's versatility and enduring appeal. Now, let's turn our attention to the art of crafting the perfect daiquiri. The key to this cocktail's success lies in the quality of its ingredients and the precision of its preparation. Begin with 1.5 ounces of premium light rum. The choice of rum is crucial as it forms the backbone of the drink. Next, add 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. The emphasis on fresh lime juice cannot be overstated. It provides the vibrant, zesty character that defines the daiquiri. The final component is simple syrup, added to taste, typically between 1/2 to 3/4 ounce. This is where the art of balance comes into play. The syrup should harmonize the rum's warmth with the lime's tartness, creating a drink that is neither too sweet nor too sour. For those who prefer a less sweet daiquiri, start with 1/2 ounce of syrup and adjust accordingly. Once the ingredients are assembled, they are combined in a cocktail shaker with ice. The shaking process is vital, not only for chilling the drink, but also for achieving the perfect dilution and integration of flavors. Shake vigorously for about 10 to 15 seconds, then strain the mixture into a chilled cocktail glass. The result should be a pale, straw-colored liquid with a slight froth on top, a visual promise of the refreshment to come. It's worth noting that while the classic daiquiri is served up in a cocktail glass without ice, variations exist. Some prefer it on the rocks, which can be a refreshing option, especially in warmer climates. However, purists argue that ice dilutes the carefully balanced flavors of the cocktail. The daiquiri's simplicity belies its strength. With an average alcohol content of 20% by volume, it's a potent beverage that demands respect. This potency, combined with its smooth, easy-drinking nature, has led to the cautionary advice: beware the daiquiri that drinks like lemonade. While we've focused on the classic recipe, it's important to acknowledge the daiquiri's evolution. Over time, it has spawned a family of variations, much like the martini or the margarita. Frozen daiquiris, often blended with fruits like strawberries or bananas, have become popular, especially in tropical settings. However, these sweeter, often machine-blended versions are a far cry from the elegant simplicity of the original. For those interested in exploring beyond the classic, the previously mentioned Hemingway Daiquiri offers an intriguing variation. Its addition of grapefruit juice and maraschino liqueur creates a more complex flavor profile while maintaining the spirit of the original. As we near the conclusion of our journey through the world of the daiquiri, it's worth reflecting on what makes this cocktail so enduring. Its appeal lies not just in its refreshing taste, but in its perfect balance of flavors. The daiquiri is a testament to the principle that in cocktail making, as in many aspects of life, simplicity, when executed with precision and quality, can yield extraordinary results. The daiquiri also serves as a blank canvas for creativity. While the classic recipe is perfection in itself, it invites experimentation. Bartenders and enthusiasts alike have used it as a starting point for countless variations. each adding their own twist to the timeless formula. In closing, the next time you encounter a daiquiri menu filled with fruity frozen concoctions, remember the elegant simplicity of the original. Order a classic daiquiri, savor its perfect balance of sweet, sour, and spirit, and raise a glass to the enduring legacy of this Cuban classic. Whether you're on a tropical beach or in a sophisticated cocktail bar, the daiquiri remains a timeless symbol of refined refreshment, a true icon in the pantheon of classic cocktails.